What's going on, YouTube? Chris here. Want to bring you all an update today of Bitcoin. Right now we're sitting at $9,608. We're down 0.05%. And we're coming up on such a critical area for Bitcoin, and that's what I want to spend my time on today, was talking about Bitcoin with you all, and then tomorrow we'll get into the altcoins. So first of all, we're going to go back all the way to the high at $20,000, and you can see this green trend line that I have coming down through here. We are getting to the point where we're about ready to meet that, and we're going to find out if we can break out from this overall macro downtrend and get up over top at $10,500, or if we're going to be rejected by that and go back down and test that $8,562. What I do like to see is that volume. You can see here's our 30-day moving average for volume. Our volume starting to swell up above that. There's also another indicator that I'm paying attention to, and this is our 30 EMA and our 60 simple moving average crossover system. And you can see we had that bullish cross, and this was back about May 3rd. And since then, we have been holding this. And you can see we're up above our 30 in blue and up above our 60 in red right there. And you can see my alarm that I've had in at 9,083. But we're starting to get that nice little move on a little bit more volume. But what we need to get up above is that 9,733. We need to close up above this overall downtrend. That's where I can say to you guys, if we truly have a trend line break out of here on even more volume, that's when things could get really crazy. If we get up above 10,562, my next target would be up around 12,387, then overall at around that 14,000. Then from there, it could get crazy. It could go to 20,000 so fast because of how aggressive this drop was on the backside. And we actually have a little bit of room to do it here. If we take a look at our stock RSI on the one-day time frame, which we're on here, we're at 61 right now, and typically we get up to around 87 or 90 before we start cooling down with serious impulse moves to the upside. So these are a lot of things that I'm paying attention to, and if we get into trading view here, I want to show you some things as well. And also, if you get some from this channel, guys, you learn stuff from this, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, let me know down low what you're thinking. Are we basically going to have a nice little pop to the upside here and this is it, and we're truly going to break into our bull market, or are we going to consolidate sideways a little bit more? Is this distribution and this is a little fake out here before we drop hard to the downside and maybe test back around this inverted head and shoulders at $6,000? I want to know your thoughts down low. So for the technicals, we're looking at a 19 buy, 6 neutral, 3 sell, oscillators 4 buy, 5 neutral, 2 sell, moving averages 1 sell, 1 neutral, 15 buy. So you can see we are in that buy signal right now, and that's a good thing. We just need to get up over top of this overall macro resistance at 10,562 is going to be the big area for me, and up above this trend line. So guys, that's what I want to bring to you today. We're going to really dig into some stuff tomorrow. God bless you all. Take care. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Keep an eye on these areas. God bless, my friends.